Good morning this Thursday, the 11th of November. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst at Bell Direct. It's great to have your company. Well, the Aussie share market fell for the third straight day yesterday, down 0.14%, off the back of a weakening iron ore price, with big miners and blue chips leading the falls. Most sectors closed lower. However, the utilities, financials and industrial sectors managed to post gains, with all four of the big banks closing higher. Looking now at the best and worst performing stocks, for the second straight day, Chalice Mining, CHN, has topped the leaderboard, lifting another 5% following the company's platinum discovery near Perth. The worst performing stocks were BlueScope Steel, BSL, and Nearmap, NEA, which saw declines of 5.8% and 4.9% respectively. Moving to the US, stocks retreated following October's consumer price reading coming in at its highest level in 30 years. This in turn led to a spike in bond yields, with investors selling out of tech stocks and buying into bank stocks. Given inflation has come in well above the Fed's inflation target, it's expected that the Fed may need to taper at a more substantial rate and hike interest rates. As for the benchmark performances, after inflation data came in higher than estimated, the Dow shed over 200 points, the S&P 500 dipped 0.82%, and the Nasdaq declined over 1%. Looking to the day ahead, well, after a negative session on Wall Street, the futures are suggesting the Aussie share market will open at 0.08% lower this morning. Today, the unemployment rate will be released for October. This measures the number of people actively looking for a job as a percentage of the labour force. Given there is uncertainty as to how the transition from lockdowns played out, economists have forecast that the unemployment rate will rise from 4.6% in September to 4.8% in October. Keep an eye on cloud accounting platform Xero, XRO today, as the company is set to release its half-year results. Goldman Sachs expects the company to deliver revenue growth of 33% in FY 2022. AGMs-wise, there are a few companies holding theirs today, including BHP, Breville, Nine Entertainment, Nearmap, Cooper Energy and REA Group. And Australian Pharmaceutical Industries, API, is set to go ex-dividend today. Moving to commodities, oil prices came under pressure after US crude inventories rose by 1 million barrels, which was short of estimates. Keep an eye on energy shares like Woodside Petroleum, WPL, and Oil Search, OSH, which could come under pressure today. The gold price rose as the US dollar firmed, trading nearly 1% higher at US $1,849 an ounce. Now, to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter has maintained its buy rating on software company Nitro Software, NTO, with a price target of $4.50. NTO announced it had entered into a binding agreement to acquire Connective NV for an enterprise value of US $81 million, which will help to accelerate and enhance NTO's e-sign, electronic identity, and document workflow capabilities. The company entered into a trading halt yesterday morning, last trading at $3.84 per share, which implies 19.4% share price growth. Separately, Morgan Stanley has an overweight rating on the stock. To end, bullish charting signals have been identified in Alpha HPA, A4N, Rumble Resources, RTR, and WiseTech Global, WTC. And that's according to Trading Central. And that's it for today. I'm Paulina Peters with Bell Direct. Stay safe, have a great day, and happy trading.